Hey guys, this is I Was Not Examitronics 41 here, and today I have an unboxing that I did a post on this, so some of you may have not have seen it. I mean, some of you guys may have already seen it, but if you haven't, it is a lot of four Rudolph characters from the Gemmy Rudolph series. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to open these. I want to collect some more of the Rudolph series because my very first animatronic was a Rudolph. I don't know what I think. I'll tell you guys more about that a little later, but for now, let's just get this thing open. So there's four characters in here, so let's begin. They said 2 work and 2 don't. They didn't specify which ones. There's the Bumble and Yukon right there. And here's Santa and Hermey. There they are. Let's take them out. In this bag here. Okay. There's Hermey. And here is Santa. Alright, and then here's the other two. Bumble, the abominable snowman, and Yukon. Yukon and Santa are probably the two I'm the most excited about. But nonetheless, there they all are. They said 2 work and 2 don't. So I guess we're going to find out which ones do and which ones don't. I'll start with Yukon. So yeah. I think these are all first gens. They're all the Walmart distributed ones. Let's see here. This one looks like it has a little corrosion. Unfortunately. I mean, it's not that bad actually. It could probably be cleaned. Let's see. Yeah, that one. I'll clean it better later. Let's see if it works first. Oh, he works. Oh my god, he's super low pitched. Gear's not split, too. That's great. He's so low pitched. I love it. All right, that is definitely a good sign. He works. That is the lowest pitched one I've heard so far. I believe it's a first gen. I think all the Walmart ones are first gens. Let's do Santa next. Santa and Yukon, like I said, are the ones I'm probably the most excited. But oh, Santa has clean contacts. That's a good sign. Wait. Santa has perfectly clean contacts. At this point, I'm not even concerned about battery corrosion. I'm just curious if these things are actually like mechanically working or not. His feet are getting in the way. And he is not working as of now. Unless his button's just stuck. His battery compartment looks fairly clean. Maybe his button's stuck or something, or a wire's off. This arm might be snapped as well. But yeah, Santa does not work, unfortunately, so I'll have to open him up and see what's wrong with him. Let's do Bumble next. I hear something rattling around in there. I don't like that. Let's play this guy one more time while we're waiting. There's a lone battery sitting in his compartment. Oh, Bumble's got a split gear. Oh, wait, maybe not.
It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas.
Oh yeah, Bumble has a split gear, I think.
Say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case
Oh, maybe not.
here. Oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Yeah, it's buzzing. Bumble has a split gear, definitely. So yeah. But he works, I guess. So he's gonna have to get repaired. And last but not least, Hermey. Who has batteries.
Just fixing these.
Oh, he works too. His arm's snapped though.
Why am I such a misfit? I am not just a nitwit. You can fire me, I quit. See, I don't fit in.
So he just has a snapped arm. That should be a simple fix. And I think Santa has a snapped arm as well. So, yeah. I'm gonna pose his arms better. That's better. So, Yukon's the only one that really works perfectly out of all of them. His gear's split, his arms is snapped, and his arm snapped and he doesn't even work. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for that unboxing. I will do separate videos on each of these as soon as I get them repaired. I might do restorations on some of them maybe. But yeah, that is basically it. And yeah, see you guys next time.